My name is Daniel, I work for the Environment Agency in the North East area and I am attending the Brunel HR Wallingford Summer School here in Uxbridge. It's been an interesting mix of activities. We've done building of some floodgate defences, built some breakwaters and seawalls, and we're going to test to see how they perform under wave conditions. We've had some talk content as well from some of the HR Wallingford staff and some of the Brunel staff as well. We went to see a natural flood management scheme. We had a walk around with one of the HR Wallingford staff to talk us through the modelling of the scheme and some of the things to be aware of when you're designing that kind of scheme.
I'm Katie Boone, I'm here on the HR Wallingford Summer School. So the opportunity came up at work to progress. Although I wanted to take that progression, I didn't feel confident that my technical side was at the level that it should be. I have a degree in geography. There's some knowledge there on the physical processes that we learn in coastal engineering, but not that technical engineering knowledge. So that's why I wanted to do the master's degree. I was really excited for the summer school. Being able to see what is actually done in terms of the physical models is incredible, to actually see how it's used in real life. But also we've been actually building our own physical models. So my group was building a 1 in 3 revetment slope, and tomorrow we'll test that under different conditions to see how stable it remains. Fingers crossed. The biggest benefit is having the HR Wallingford lecturers come in and talk to us, because they have so much experience and technical background that we're tapping into. It's obviously nice to have a mix of both Environment Agency and local authority. They're doing very different roles and on different projects that I can learn from, so it's been great to speak to them and hear about their past experiences.
My name is Sydney Pereira. I work for the Environment Agency at Nottingham. I've been with the agency for the past 15 years and wanted to gain more knowledge in terms of what's happening wider in the flood industry, and that's the primary reason why I joined this MSc course, and also it will help me in my career aspirations going ahead, possibly get me incorporated or chartered status in the near future. HR Wallingford have got world-class laboratories, flumes and the fruit modelling centre in the cutting edge of flood risk industry. It's been really good building flood products, hands-on time in the fruit modelling centre. Meeting other people in the cohort has been a really good experience, and also gaining knowledge from them as well. Climate change is affecting flood risk. That's one of the challenges for the flood risk industry as to how to adapt, and MSc course is very well suited to impart the knowledge and the skills needed to deal with these events.